Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to start your dollar arbitrage, how to start your own online company. Yeah, so before I start today's episode, disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So when I try these things and it's working for me, then I'll do video for you to also enjoy from it. Yeah, so this video is for education and entertainment purposes, and I will leave the link in the description and in the comment section in case you want to also enjoy. So this one is a USDT mining platform. Yeah, so if you want to mine USDT, I recommend this platform to you. So this platform is InvestLink Group. So you invest in the mining site and it will mine for you. So let me show you how you can do it and the free way to make money on this platform. Yeah, so when I open the home screen, so that we have recharge, withdraw, we have help team, we have download app and everything. Yeah, so first of all, let me show you the free way. The free way, if you go to invite friends, you see that they will generate some invitation link for you. So this one, you copy this one and you post it to, let's say, any social media platform that you are on it, and try to tell people that they should mine their USDT on this platform, and when they join the platform through your link, you will get commission from it. As simple as that. Yeah, and if you want to buy a machine to start mining, you go to quantify and you come here. You see the V1 machine start from 18 USDT apples, and the VP2 machine also start from 68 USDT apples, and the VP3 machine start from 90 apples, and the VP4 machine starts from 90 apples, and the VP5 machine starts from 1,500 apples, and the V6 machine start from 3,200 USDT apples. And let me tell you one thing, all these machines have different income. So let me check. So the VP6, if you buy this machine, is 3,200 USDT, and the profit ratio is what, from 19.80 to 20.30. So 3,200 times 20.30 20.30%. So every day you'll be earning $649.6. So $649.6 times, let's say 7. $3,200 times 20.30%, 649.6 times 7, 4,547.22 minus 3,200. So you have $1,347.2 as profit from 1 week, just a week. So let's use the V1, because I'll be using the V1 for example for you. The V1 machine is 18 USDT and the ratio is for 16.70. So 18 USDT, 18 times 16%. So every day you'll be earning 2.88. So 2.88 times 7, 20.16 minus 16. So you have $4.16 from 1 week profit. That's your 1 week profits. So it means that the higher you invest, the higher you get profits. So the V2, that's 68, and the profit was 20.20. $68 times 17.20%. That's so every day you will earn 11.696 times 7. 81 minus what? 68 minus 68. So the week profit is what? The profit is 13.8. Let's say 30.9. It's not bad. 30.9 times 13.50 in Ghana cedis. So it means that the week you have 187 Ghana cedis as profits. As a profit. You said that thing. So that's how it goes. Yeah. So let me show you how you deposit. So you go to your home, you go to recharge, and recharge. We have two types. You have the smart one and the quantitative one. But right now we are using the quantitative one, so I'll choose the quantitative, not the smart. So this is the quantitative. Then you copy. Then you go to your Binance or anything to what deposit. I've already deposited 18 USDT. So let me buy my machine. So I'll just click this machine, confirm. So have you seen that the 0/0 I've turned to 0/1? That means I buy the machine. So if I click on mine Bitcoin, it will mine. So I've mined it and I earn 2.995. So this is how I withdraw it. I'll go to withdraw. 2.99520. So before I withdraw, I have to paste my Tron address over here. So I'll go to my let me use my Binance. Let me use my Binance. Recently I've withdrawn more. Let me use my Binance. Then I'll choose USDT. Then I'll choose Tron address. Then I'll copy it. So I'll come to the platform and paste it over here. Then the amount, that's 2.995200. Then I'll enter my security code. After that, I'll confirm it. You have to make sure that the Tron address you are adding is the correct one, because after doing the first transaction, you can't change it again. So right now, after draw the money, I can choose to save it, save and password, and then you see that thing. So right now, after draw the money, so in some few minutes, it will land in my wallet. So that's how you make money on this platform. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.